Hey, I'm going to be showing you how you play DUST2 in high-level Faceit here. What you do is you make sure that the long player, this guy who has this spawn here in Faceit, you can also reconnect and sometimes attempt to have a spawn like out here. When you come out here, you're a long player. The first thing you are going to do is you are going to move directly the long houses. This is very good. You have now long control. If they run out, you're just gonna bounce an 8 here, rather here, or a deep one. This is very good. Your second player, he might gonna flash you a second time. Like, if they come out, he will flash, so you can. If they just like gonna rush out long, you can always attempt to go back and jump up here, and then I go like towards here. This is a very good position. When you are B player, you have the best B spawn here. So take B. It's very important you don't do this because the guy who plays suicide, he will kill you. That's for sure. So you're gonna go close to the wall and you're just gonna jump here. Then you come up to the side. You will molo. Go up here. You will check. Is he here? He's not here. Okay, they're not rushing. So we can go down here. We're just gonna throw smoke, just like this. Like a little bit under this one here. This is very good. So you can come to the car. I just do one time a little jump on the car, so they think those people who stands in here. Ah, okay. So there's one car at least. So maybe there's 2 people on B. So after you have jumped here, I'm just gonna throw this again. After you jump, you go close, and then you're just gonna bounce it, nade into tunnels here. So the guys standing in here, they will be naded. So then you go back to the side again. You can now jiggle with a flash, because you of course bought a flash. So you jiggle and jiggle and jiggle, and now you see him coming. So you just bounce from here, and then you peek. This is very good. You can also, if you play 2 guys here on B side, you can have your mate standing right here. This guy here, when they come out here, you know, you flash, then you peek, and then you go back here, and they think, okay, you're here. So everyone, they're gonna like rush towards you like this, but then you have a mate sitting right here, and he's gonna kill them. You know, he has very good timing on them, because they're just gonna look towards you, not him. So let's talk about the T side here. So you're a T player and you have good long spawn. So for the long player, you're gonna go straight here. You have your mates will flash you, but you can also have a good flash with you here. So I like to do this. I flash over, I wait, I just go close, and then I wait for it to pop, and then I peek, you know, so it's gonna look like this. And then I peek. The guy who runs around here, you can kill him easily. There's a 6th player here as well. He will get blinded, so he will run a little bit back, so this guy here is gonna be a free kill for you. Then you're out long here now, and you own long, and your mates, they out with you. So you're just gonna jump directly on this one when you come out, and then go into the wall, into the back of the wall, like so. It doesn't need to be in a corner or something, you just have to go close to the wall here. Then you aim on this antenna here, in the right side of the last pole on the antenna. You left and right click, okay? You see it changes the smoke when you do this, and then you just jump throw, and then you press W after you jumped. So it's like an insta smoke on Mirage. And then you have a perfect lineup smoke there for the center of crossing here. You see? So now you come out, you can also just do a flash. Flash, kill him. If he peeks up here, maybe he'll peek here with MVP. The next thing your other mates can do is, if they go short, you go into this corner here, and there's many smokes for Xbox. Check them out if you want on csgonades.com. You can light up your smoke with the shadow here, and then you have this little antenna pole. You just like do this here, and then just have a perfect Xbox smoke. Next up is when you are going towards B, you all have B spawns. So you're just gonna go like this, and you go this, and you jump throw, and then you have a perfect door smoke, which is very good. So what is a good door smoke, or what is a bad door smoke? A good door smoke is it when it's behind the doors. When it's on this side here, if you attempt to land a smoke here, your teammates will hate on you, that's for sure, and they will call you a Sukablet Nahui. Because enemies, they can go in here and they can just like peek around the corner of the smoke, and they can easily. So it's a bad smoke as well. It's also very important, you know, when you come in and you are the first guy, the first thing you do here is you follow under. Because then the under guy can peek you if you're going for a B rush, and then enemies, they smoke this part. Maybe they also mullo, but it doesn't matter. Your teammates, they will smoke it, and you're just gonna flash in here. It's very important you're the first guy who flash, because otherwise the teammates will get fucking blinded. And yeah, that's a little tutorial of how to play good DUST2 here. Please like and subscribe. I will put up a lot of more nice tutorials.